What's up, y'all? I'm back. This is my first sneaker video that I done posted since I posted my music review, which I will link. Wait, hold on. I ain't did this in a video yet, but I actually know how to do it now. I'm gonna link it right here. I think this is where it's gonna be it. I'm gonna link it right there. But I got a quick review for y'all today on the YEEZY 500. Not boost. No boost on the box. No boost in the shoe. Size. Wait. Let that focus. Size 11.5. My size. Yeah. So let's just get into the shoe real quick. This is the most, what was I say, infamous? Because people don't like these.
Yeah, infamous. That's a good word.
Yeah, infamous shoe that people have been talking about lately, because as you can see, it's not aesthetically pleasing to everybody. Like, including him. He thinks these suck. A lot of people think these suck. I like them. I'm going to wear them. But if you want them, hit me up. I'll give them to you for retail. But let's get into the shoe real quick. It's an Ortholite insole right there. What else? They got Adiprene on the side right there. This is the utility black colorway. They got two other ones. They got Supermoon Yellow and Blush, which they call Deseret. And crazy enough, I actually don't mind the other two colorways because they stand out a little bit more, and this one is like an all black one. Now mind you, this one isn't gonna get dirty because the materials up here are like really good. So unless you like going like in the mud or something, you just trash these will look like this for as long as you take care of them. These will look like this pretty much forever. One of my few favorite things about this shoe would be the bottom, just because of like the weird look and the weird shape, and it kind of has like that Crazy 8 look. Y'all know Kobe. He was with Adidas and he had the Crazy 8s and he had the weird looking bottom. This is kind of what that remind me of. This is more of like a high fashion shoe. Kanye didn't go with the whole one piece upper thing like he did in the 350s or the 750s. This one does have a detached like tongue, like you can actually pull this and like turn it and stuff. The same people that like these, like really like these, are kind of the same people that like those Balenciaga Triple S's, which I will put a picture of on the screen, and those are trash. Those are garbage. I don't understand, bro. People really be paying like,
I have no idea what it is.
I'll show it to you. You think these are trash?
Yeah.
Yo, back to what I was saying. This is the YEEZY 500 in the utility black colorway. That's what they calling these. In pictures, these look like a true black, like a all like dark black sneaker, but in reality this honestly looks like a dark gray, and then depending on what angle you're looking at it, it's purple. One thing I can say about this shoe, it does have really nice material on it. Like, this is a really well put together shoe, like quality wise. And like I said, I like it. Like, I like the way that it looks. I like weird shoes. I like weird stuff. I like weird colors, all of that. So this is a shoe that I'm actually gonna get a lot of wear out of. Obviously not now because it's the summertime. I'm not about to be walking around in all black shoes all day. Now the thing about styling these, you can wear them with shorts, but if you're gonna try to wear these with shorts, I would suggest going for one of the other two colorways that they have in these, because those are going for slightly over retail, a little bit over $220. Somebody that really likes this shoe, that's not a bad price. Kanye did say he wants everybody to be able to get a pair of Yeezys, and these were pretty much mass produced, which I really don't care about. I don't care about how limited the shoe is. Whatever. If I like it and I have the funds to go get it, or the chance to go get it, I will go get it. So it really doesn't matter how many of them came out. Stuff like that really don't matter to me. A cool feature about this shoe that I did notice when I took a picture of them, this actually has 3M around it. So of course you put a flash on it, it'll like light up. Y'all know how 3M work. And I really don't have much to say about this shoe. It's just, I mean, it's a Yeezy. It's a boostless Yeezy. This is the only Yeezy, the only Adidas Yeezy that does not have boost in it. Of course, the 350s have boost, the 750s have boost, and the 700s have boost. So the 500, only one without boost. Probably the most hated Yeezy. Like, a lot of people are mixed about these. Some people really like them, which are more like on the hype B side, and then some people are like, oh my god, those suck. Which is pretty much where most of the people, when I did a poll on Instagram, they were more on that side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Yeah, I really don't have much to say about these. I like them. I'm gonna be rocking them definitely in the fall, winter, and hopefully I can change some people's minds when they actually see me put these on feet and style these. If y'all want to see it on foot like I did for the Butters, then y'all can hit me up looking for that. Or if you don't, comment they trash, and we can talk it up, you feel me? So that's it for this review. Like, comment, subscribe, share my video. We just went over 100 subscribers. I don't know if I told y'all that. I actually went over 100 subscribers probably like maybe a week ago, and we about to be at 120, and I'm on my 1,000 subscriber grind. So keep sharing my videos, y'all. Keep subscribing. If y'all come through, just subscribe, like, comment. I respond to all my comments. I get them right away. So if you want to talk, yeah, go follow me on all my social media at keybrown_ on Instagram, at IamKB on Twitter. Those are my 2 most active social medias. So yeah, that's it. I'm back on my sneaker content. I got another video coming for y'all Wednesday. One of them included is the lookbook for the butters that I've been working on. This weather in Virginia just been too hot to be outside. So yeah, like I said, thank y'all for letting me get over 100 subscribers. Y'all keep subscribing, y'all keep commenting, y'all keep sharing my video, keep promoting me, you feel me? We on our grind. So I'll see y'all Wednesday.
Come through, here I throw up, west side. When I pull up, late night, speed off, red light, come through.